Well, we be a macro expert. This is Royal Casino. Here I just developed for the casino purpose this Excel utility. Here this is columns and rows. It will generate the numbers throughout this matrix from 5 to 17. So suppose 1 or 2 or 3 or more than 1, 2, this is how many contestant can play at a time? 13. So 13 person can play at a time. Suppose someone chooses this number, 6 number, someone chooses like this number. This is a list. You can see this, and then after you just double click anywhere on the sheet. So see, this is 16. It will mark up the 16. Whatever the number is more occurrence, so it will mark as a green, and 16 repeated 19 times. So again double click. Now this time 11 number appears 21 times. Now you can see here, so it just randomly it will choose any number for the winner, like this. See, now XYZ is won. XYZ won this match because 26 and 6 is a number and 20 times it repeated. So this way you can play a casino. Thank you for watching my channel.